Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use Keyframe for blending the overlay in CapCut PC. So first select the video you like to edit and go to add the overlay, and I'm going to select the animation overlay here. Select this firework as an overlay, just put on top of the video, and you can merge it, and it's going to blend. Select the blending option here you like, and I'm going to select darken and adjust for the opacity to 10%, and make sure on first frame and add the keyframe in the blend option. Just click add keyframe and swipe and adjust the opacity to 20%, and swipe again to right, adjust the opacity to 30%, and so on until finish the video. And at the end of the frame you can adjust for the opacity to 10 again, 10% again. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.